Hi Margaret, have you heard about the new company that is starting? It is called That Free Thing and it should be really big. For only $25 you can join, and get all kinds of free things. Plus, if you tell your friends and they join you can make money. Who does not like free things?
Sounds like some kind of gimmick to me. There is no such thing as free. What are they really all about? Is this some type of scam to get your money? I do not trust anything free.
No, I looked into it. You have to be sponsored by a member and then you can get all kinds of free stuff, like food and games and even travel. I was not sure myself, but it is true.
Okay, show me. I will bet there is something in the fine print that will take all your money.
Okay, come with me. My friend joined a few weeks ago and he is going to sponsor me. He will show you what that free thing is all about.